there's lots to see here at the Emerson Climate Technologies booth, including some new products. What you're going to hear about now is a 40 horsepower, large capacity Copeland scroll.
Hi, I'm Matthew Neidlinger with Emerson Climate Technologies. I'm here at the 2012 AHR Expo, and I'm pleased to present to you our latest innovation in compressor electronics, CoreSense technology. CoreSense technology is a compressor-centric methodology that seeks to leverage the compressor as a sensor to detect system faults and conditions. At Emerson, we like to use a medical analogy, where the compressor is the heart of the system, and it's pumping its lifeblood, the refrigerant, through the circuit. When there's a problem with one of the components in the system, and in the body, let's say the lungs or the liver, it will manifest itself through the heart. That's precisely what we're trying to do with CoreSense technology. Leverage the compressor as a sensor to detect those system faults. Now, the compressor you see behind me is our largest commercial scroll compressor, the 40 horsepower compressor. We're featuring onboard electronics onboard the terminal box of the compressor. And it has three primary key benefits for the end user: protection, diagnostics, and communication. Protection in terms of scroll and motor temperature protection. Diagnostics in the form of short cycling, missing and reverse phase detection, and then most importantly, communication. We now offer communications through our RS-45 Modbus communication directly to the system controller. This will allow the contractor to be prepared, come to the job in advance knowing exactly how to fix the issue. CoreSense technology can be offered in various platforms and various form factors. It can be offered integrated onto our control board solutions. It can be offered onboard the compressor, like we just saw in the 40 horsepower compressor. And it can also be offered as a standalone module. The products you see behind me is our latest innovation from Emerson Climate Technologies. These two products are for the aftermarket specifically, in instances where you need a retrofit for a failed contactor. Let's start with the product on the left. This product is called the Emerson SureSwitch. It features a self-contained electronic switch. This switch allows for complete protection around the contacts, so for areas that suffer from pest-related problems such as fire ants, this will correct that issue. Also, the technology on board allows for zero cross, which essentially means we have less arcing associated with a standard contactor and therefore less damage to the contacts themselves. The product on the right is called CoreSense Protection. This product has the same great features as the Emerson SureSwitch, but takes it to the next level. It offers active compressor protection, key system diagnostics, as well as fault history and recovery. These products are not yet on the market, but stay tuned. They'll be coming to your marketplace in the summer of 2012.